I'm out here today to kind of do a recap of everything that we did yesterday. I do know that we got a lot done in terms of getting poles dug, and right now we're still not done with this fence. The weather prohibited us from being great, but I do want to kind of give you a recap of just everything. So first, we had already gotten this gate done. This is going to be where a gate stands. Now we're getting the back end of the fence. See, we got all of those poles dug up and put in the ground. It's been wet, so we weren't able to do that. We are going to make this last L here and go that way up there, and we should be ready at that point to start rolling wire out. This fencing journey is one that is very, very, very exhausting. A lot of hard work goes into it. Digging these poles, cutting these poles is a tough task. I showed it to you in a previous video, so I hope that go back and check out how we dig a pole and put it in the ground and all of that. If you have any questions, comment down below. Or if you have an idea that may make it easier, or for you farmers that are maybe doing the same thing, give me some tips, some hints. What do you guys think? I want to hear that from you. But today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this last L done. That is my attempt for today. We're gonna have to cut some poles, and which I'll start doing here shortly. I think my dad's gonna come help me. Hope. I hear him on the tractor, so yeah, I think he can't avoid helping me. But we're gonna try to put a gate here. So we'll have a gate between this pole and a pole that we're gonna put 16 feet over there. And then there's gonna be another gate up there, so we'll be able to drive straight through. And then we're gonna try to run poles from here on up. And then we gotta pull up a tree that's over there that had fallen. So we're gonna do a lot of things. This should be fun, so stay locked in, stay tuned. We're on the way to pull up the tree. Wish me luck. I don't know how this is gonna work. Probably it'll be a dangerous thing that we're about to do, but it wouldn't be fun if we didn't make it exciting. Hopefully this is not an epic failure. You gotta go forward. You gotta go forward. Oh, the chain broke. Glad I bagged up. Yeah. We ain't gonna be able to move that thing. You gotta cut this. Only strong is your weakest link. Broken chain. All right, we gotta cut it. It broke in this place right here.
Oh, that was one that was
put together.
It's likely to change.
I ain't never seen that.
What other end up?
This is the end on the track. I just took it loose.
Oh.
That's where it was at.
Oh. Actually, no, I was going to see if I can.
Can you?
Feel like it broke right there.
It's been, I mean, if it.
It's a thing that you can buy, I think, and put in there. I just want to make sure I put this back together so you have two ends.
Can you, well, would you weld it? So as you see, we had an epic failure. The tree won. I think we're gonna have to get a bigger chain to see if we can pull it up, but that's what happens sometimes. Attempt number 2. Go down. Come forward, son. Go. It ain't gonna do. No, bring the tractor forward. Until it bump it. All right, now, you know what you might be able to do? You might be able to push it. Just see if you can drive forward. sure that tree ain't doing nothing. Bag up, bag up. Oh. You gonna break them teeth. You got the tooth stuck in it. Hey, go down with that thing, yeah. Push it with the heart, yeah, there you go. Now you're good. Now if you go on the other side and push it this way, it might pop it loose. Oh shoot. Hey, you might have it there. We got it out, thank God. One broken chain later. So we were able to get it out. The root system is what was causing it to be held. We're gonna go back and now try to cut it up. But it gets out of the way of the fence. And this is what was left of it. Okay. Okay. Go ahead, talk to him, Millie. Talk to him, Millie. Oh, Jessica, you talking today? Yeah, it's not. It's not food. It's not food. It's not food. All right, so today, great work is going on here at the Hunt Family Farm. We are almost, and when I say almost, ready to roll these fences. It's gonna be great. So I know I've talked about it in the other videos, kind of the plan, but it's kind of hard to see it because it's just more so me explaining, but now you have something tangible to look at. So today we put in one pole. And if you see down, we put in 1, 2, 3, 4 poles today. It's just a lot of work. All right, we were able to pull up the big tree and we drug it there. We're gonna put a gate here. We're gonna replace this old gate because, I mean, it's solid, but it's just, doesn't look as good. So we're gonna replace this gate here, boom. We're gonna run this. We're gonna rerun this fence that's in here and looking like trash and bad. We're gonna rerun it from here up there to that first corner where we started. We're gonna run it down this line of poles here. We did some poles yesterday going up on the back side, and then it's gonna come back around. It's gonna be a great fence inside of the fence so that we can rotate our sheep from this pasture here over into this pasture, and then we have another pasture out there. The full plan is to purchase more sheep. We want to add to the flock, but then also buy some goats as well. But like I said in the previous videos, I want to make sure that our fencing is A1 when you start introducing new animals into your herd, because it's just like anything else. If you're in, whoa, almost fell. If you're in a foreign place, a lot of the times you're on edge and your first opportunity is to run. And we want whatever animals that we bring in, we want this area to kind of serve as like the cool down, calm down area. So inside of this fence, and we're gonna redo that fence, right? The fence inside of that fence. So where our sheep are now in this area, we're gonna redo this too. So we'll have this fence, this part of the pasture, which we're gonna run it from there here, boom. So this will be cool down area. Bring them in, cool down. This is the place you go. You get to go into that building. Then we'll open this gate, boom, let you out into this pasture that we're putting. We'll let you into this area, and then we have a gate set up over there and a gate set up over there where we can let you out into the big pasture. It's all coming together. It's a journey. It's a lot of work, and you can't get it all done in one day. But I love the fact that you guys are along this journey with us. Till next time.